big bills. It's the owner's birthday, so I'm going to take you guys with me tonight.
I don't need nobody else but me. It doesn't matter what you're gonna say. I just need time right now. I'm going alone tonight.
What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, hi, I'm Cinn, and welcome to my channel. So we're going to be doing another stripper vlog today, y'all. So the plan is I'm going to like this early spot, like a lounge type of thing, try to make a little money, and then go to this club that's in my city that I went to on New Year's and see if I can make some more money. Then y'all gotta go to work Sunday at 8 o'clock, so we're gonna see how this goes. But yeah, right now I just got done straightening my hair, so I'm gonna try it straight. And I'm about to put my lashes on, do my eyebrows, and yeah, whenever my sister gets back, I already got my bag packed. I'm head to the club, y'all. Right now I'm watching Stripper Life of Brie. So I'm watching that, getting some motivation, that money motivation. I need to put my nails on. Okay, yeah, I need to put my nails on. So yeah, I'll come back once that's done. What's up, guys? So I'm heading to the club now. It is what, 7:04. So this is all I did today. Keep it simple. You know, I ain't trying to do too much. I did too much last time when your girl ain't getting no money. So we're gonna keep it simple. But yeah, I'm heading to the club. I done got my face ready. I still, y'all, when I be doing my makeup, I do feel like I look so like dark. But yeah, so I'm headed to a new place. This is my first time ever being at this place, and I'm gonna go try them out. And depending on how that go, then I might go to another club and finish my night out there, and then go home because I gotta go to work in the morning. So yeah, so driving to the club. I'll see y'all when y'all get there. I want to listen to my music and stuff and turn these lights off. So
1 week later.
what's up, guys? So yeah, I did not vlog. Continue vlogging from the last vlog, so we're just gonna do it this weekend. From that night, you guys, I probably was there like an hour 30 to 2 hours, and I had made like 150, between 150 and 160. It was no less than 150, no more than 160. So we're gonna go back tonight. It's the owner's birthday, so I'm going to take you guys with me tonight. We're trying to get us some money. I was thinking to myself, my goal, this is like a little hole in the wall club. So my minimum goal, I would love like minimum 250, preferred about 450. So anywhere in there, I'll be fine. I done did my hair and stuff, which I'm about to take this off so it can breathe. Put me on some lashes, probably do my eyebrows. Then I'll be ready to go. I gotta drop my son off and then pick up one of the dancers who's going out. We're going to the same place. So we're gonna ride together. So yeah, let me go ahead and do my little getting ready, and I'll be right back. I ain't gonna lie though, I wanna see what my hair gonna look like on camera. Oh, and I need to wax my arms. I do not want to forget to do that.
I'm back in my bag, yo. Conscious. ISO. Diamond. Back in my bag and I ain't gotta brag. I do this shit for real. When we was down and we had nothing, we had to share a meal. Put the shit in overdrive with no steering wheel. Shorty throw that thing back in a pair of heels.
Oh no, this is true. This is true.
Yeah, I love them dark skin,
so yeah,
caramel. You know I had
that's
to
how
bring
we're
it to the hood. Like she carrying silver when she
yeah, she's my okay.
Walk that thing, jiggle, jiggle. And we going back to back on them like we Huey and we Riley. This that back in my back flow, we back again so highly. This that back in my back flow, we back to change the climate. This that back in my back flow, we bring the force like Tommy. Back in my back flow. Back in my, yeah, back in my bag.
Leave it alone, fine. Fuck some shit up.
Yeah, I'm back in my, I'm back in my bag, I'm back in my, this is my, back in my bag flow. Back again, yeah, we keep on stacking it, what's happening? Everything in Gucci got me feeling like I'm dapper then. Life has been a movie, yeah, so shout out to the cameraman. Pull up to the scene, it's going down like an avalanche. Steady going up like a travel plan. Homer Simpson face, lucky power plant. Yeah, I'm off that dope, like I'm back again to Vizzy at the Millies. Out on Club Hurst, give the word if it's a cinch, low, forgive me. Still having motion, dog, so why would I slow it? Make it.
Yeah, I got this wig from AliExpress. Not AliExpress. I got this wig from Amazon. The lace is good, but y'all, the ends, they always fuck up. That's why I try to remember to always take a clip for work so I can put her up when she starts her bullshit. And also, I hate wearing closure wigs because the earpiece never be where it needs to be. You feel me? Like, look at my ear. I don't know how to fix it, so I just have to wear it over my ear. Yeah, but let me do my face. Somebody need to take it.
I'm back in my, this my, back in my bag flow. Yeah, not for real. Double live. Do it die, you already know.
Alright, you guys, so I am home, y'all. It is like 6. I'm gonna watch this. Watch this. That's insane. Yeah, I just know it's 6 something. I can't look at what's in there. Okay, so it's 7:10. I got home like 6:45. But you guys, this is the money from tonight. It's of course ones too, but big bills. So yeah. All right, so we had originally counted it, but I don't really remember. I wasn't paying attention. I was sleepy as fuck. So like, I'm gonna count it again just so that I can give you guys a final total, and then I can smoke and go to bed because it's 7 a.m. So I'll be right back. Okay, you guys. So I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 505, 5 extra bucks. So that's what I made tonight, which I feel like I had a really good night. Me and her, we split the money, so I feel like we had a really great night. I feel like anytime I made 500 bucks or better, I had an awesome ass fucking night. So yeah, I'm about to smoke and go to bed. It's really nothing to tell you guys about like what happened. I couldn't vlog the first half of the night because I lost my phone, which it was just in the car, but I was spending time like, where's my phone? Then at the second part, it just was, I was so tired. Like, I really wasn't even thinking about trying to record for real. But yeah, like, I literally put my outfit on backwards. Like, it's time to go to bed. But yeah, you guys, so that is that. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you would like to see more, like, comment, and subscribe. And hopefully I will see you guys in my next video. This is Cinn signing off. Peace.